Today we have Jax with us, and I'm super excited to cut his hair. So it's going to be fun. We're doing kind of a big boy haircut. I'm using a number 4 for his sides, and then she just wants it short on top. She wants to kind of mohawk it here in the front a little bit. So we will try this. I had showed him earlier. It's a good idea to like show him before, maybe let him touch it so they know that it won't hurt him or whatever. Anyway, Jax, what's this? What is that? So we will try it, okay? Let's try this. What is it? Okay, I'm just going to go over around his ears. Good job, buddy. You're doing so good. So yeah, we did a number 4 just because she doesn't want it really short, but it grows so fast that she's wanting it, you know, a little bit shorter than just finger length. So we wanted to do the number 4. And it's so cute because we have all these little waves. He's so fun. Like ever since he was a tiny baby. Oh, let me turn so you guys can see. Anyway, he's just had a ton of hair. So, all right. Let's turn you this way and do this side. Good job, buddy. You're doing awesome. Good deal. Yeah, sometimes, you know, if they're this young, they like their moms, obviously, with them. So we just put a cape on Shaylee, and now he's doing really good. We tried to set him up on the chair, but anyway, it's a little booster thing, but he wasn't going for that. So it worked awesome for Shaylee to sit with him. Good job, buddy. Okay, now, look. Can you see it? Should we put it on your hair? Ooh, does that feel good? Ooh, he's like, okay. What is that? All right, you guys, now what I would do is just start here in the back. We're gonna go short here. And I like to start in the middle, and then I go off to the right and then the left, and then I'll come back here. I'll turn it so you can see, and connect that top where I went short here, and connect that back. Hi, Jax. What you got, huh? Oh, let's get the hair off, huh? Don't want the hair in your mouth. And then, of course, you know, we like to give treats. So we have a little treat to keep him entertained too. Okay, so then just come up the middle, and then like I said, go to each side. Yeah, I thought everybody would love to see him on here. He is like the sweetest little guy, huh? Aren't you? Where's Deanne? Oh, hey. See, here comes the treats. Okay, I'll come this way. Is it yummy? Do you like it, buddy? And then, of course, you know, I'm going to make this short enough but long enough to stick up in the front. Okay, now to double check it, you're going to want to come up this way. So, let me turn him this way so you can see. So I come up this way, now we're going to check it the opposite way, like coming up. Jax, you are being good boy. He's like, maybe don't tell me that. Sorry, don't mean to have my then you can just hold it down. Hi, handsome. Just gonna take these little, just kind of even that up there. Okay, do you want to, can you see that? Is that short enough for you, Shaylee?
Yeah, that's good.
Is that about right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to blend the sides. Hi. Hi, handsome. Boop, boop. Got something on your nose, huh? Okay. All right, now to blend. I love a tight, thin comb, okay? You like it? Okay, now you turn it, or can you turn it that way? There we go, perfect. Now I'm just going to bring this comb in to connect the top with the side. Maybe bring it out. There we go, perfect. Out of the way. Yeah, bud. All right, let's do this side where I turn this way. Okay, so when you put the comb in, don't put it too far this way. Just kind of go straight up from the head. Ready? Ooh, yum. What? What you got? Oh, do you want to hold the wrapper? Or should we set it there? Want to set it there? Okay. Okay, now we'll just blend this back. What is it, bud? It's over here. Look at that. All right. Sorry, hopefully you can see that. Let's turn it sideways that way. Oh, doesn't matter, huh? Good, buddy. It's over here. Maybe try to give me a look that way if you can. Look, buddy. Okay, I'll just keep turning so you guys can see. Okay. It's so cute. It's so curly that you can kind of see. Oh, that is too cute. Okay, and then if you want, you can go back through these sides, and if there's any that's off, like I think there's a tiny bit right here, you just take that little corner off. If they'll sit for you, if not, you don't have to go back and double check that. Just because, you know, you obviously want to get through the haircut with them. Because at one, it's hard, obviously, but that's why I thought it would be fun to show. You just kind of go with it and you just try your best. Yeah, tell him. Can you talk to him, Jax? Yeah.
Where's the dog?
Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Now he's looking for the dog. Okay, now, whoops. All right, now we're just gonna go by his little ears, just like at the top right there. I'm just gonna go around it. And then back here, I'll just hold that down, come around. And doing little ones, just make sure you're good and ready to like move it away fast if they go to move. Okay, now if we can get him to look down. Okay, you guys. In the back, I'm just going to come straight across, kind of clean that up. Good job, Jax. You're a big boy. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now we'll move him this way and do this ear. Hi, bud. Who's that? Who's that? Okay, so same thing, just right there at that ear. And then go around the ear. And then hold the ear down and take that behind the ear off. Okay. What you see, buddy? Look what's down there. What does mommy have? Okay, perfect. Just gonna get right down here. Clean that up. So cute. All right, little buddy. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take some clay, just a little bit. He's so cute. You did a good job, buddy. And then we're just gonna stick this up. How far back do you like it? Kind of up, just in the front, or is that just like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. All right. Hey, Jax. Oh, want to see? Want to come here? He's like, I don't know. All right, you guys. All right, he did so good. I'm so happy. So I just wanted to show you Jax. I thought it would be fun to show that haircut. So I'm glad he did good and that his mom sat with him. Well, that was good. So anyway, you guys, thanks so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next video. Thank you.